Hello there, this is how to fix Google Photos face recognition if it's not working. So first thing, just open up Google Photos and then click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Then in the drop-down menu, click on Google Photos Settings, click on Preferences, and then click on Group Similar Faces. Now make sure that the face groups is toggled on. Click OK. And that should fix the problem. If it still doesn't fix the problem, make sure that you have the latest update of Google Photos on your phone. So in order to do this, just go to the App Store. I'll go to my home screen right now and then look for the App Store. And then I will click on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Then I will look for Google Photos. Then I'll select it. And see, I need an update for Google Photos. So I will just click on the update button and wait for it to update. So if your facial recognition on Google Photos is still not working after doing this, you need to make sure that the app cache is cleared. So in order to do this, just head back to the home screen, then head over to the settings, then scroll down till you find General, click on that, then click on iPhone storage, then scroll down till you find Google Photos. There it is. Click on it. Then click on Offload App. Confirm that you want to offload the app. Then click on Reinstall App. And now we're done. Hopefully your facial recognition on Google Photos is now working.